Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your reposts on TikTok at once. Alright, if you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials. First, open the TikTok app. Then, head over to your profile. Once you're there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Wait a few moments for it to load. Once it's fully loaded, scroll all the way down until you see Support. Tap on that. Now, select Help Center. Scroll down again and find the section called Using TikTok. Inside that section, tap on Report a Problem. After that, wait for the page to load. Then, scroll down again until you find the online reporting form and tap on it. Under the topic drop-down menu, choose General Account Inquiry. For the category, select Other. In the username field, enter your TikTok username. For the contact email, provide an email address where TikTok support can reach you for any follow-up steps. In the additional details box, tap to start typing. You can write something like, "Hi TikTok support, I'd like to request the deletion of all my reposts." If you want, you can also add a short note like, "I just want to make my account look clean." If needed, you can also upload any attachments. Then, check all the required tick boxes. Once you're done, tap on Submit. Now, wait between 24 to 48 hours for TikTok support to get back to you through the contact email you provided, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.